everyone, this is Afifa from the Fundoo class, and in this video we are going to learn about a few DIY crafts that you can do at home with minimal things required, especially during Christmas. Well, you can use these DIYs in your daily basis also, but we are going to focus on the Christmas as Christmas is around the corner.
So today we are going to make a lantern. So for this we need 2 colored sheets, a pair of scissors, glue. I have selected the color red and white owing to our Christmas theme. So first we will take the lighter shade and fold it into half. Then we'll take the scissors and cut thin strips. Remember, you don't have to cut it fully, just stop it. Make sure you cut all in the same length. So you can use a ruler and a pencil so that you get your strips all of the same length like I have used here. So now we'll quickly erase this line so that our lantern looks good. So now my line is erased. Then take your pair of scissors and remove one strip from one end. Now place this carefully aside. Then take your darker shade, take about a finger's length, 1 finger gap, and draw a line. Or you can take a scales gap, that will be better. Now apply some glue on the other side of the paper. The shade, open it very carefully and stick it on the darker shade. Make sure to have the bouncy side on top. Stick it very carefully. Now apply glue on the line you had drawn earlier. Make it a very straight and a thin line. Then stick the other side on your paper. Okay, so now take your pair of scissors and cut out the extra portion. Now remove this extra part. Now you can use a decorative tape to give your lamp a better look. However, this step is optional. So apply your tape on the borders of the lamp in this way. Do the same on the other side. Do it very neatly. our lantern is almost ready. Now take your glue for the last time. Apply it on this portion. And then fold your lamp and stick it here on this. So now I've stuck it and our lamp is ready. You can also use some other shade to tape the mouth of the lamp. I have used pink since my inner color is red, and you can see our beautiful Christmas lamp is ready to hang on your wall.
Or you can also use a fake candle. Usually you get those in market, a fake candle, and then place this lamp on the fake candle, and that will radiate light. So you can do that also. And here will go your candle, and then it will reflect the light. So that was the first craft that we did.
Next thing we'll make is a butterfly, which you can hang on your Christmas trees. So since the Christmas tree is dark green, I have taken a fluorescent yellow, which will enhance the beauty of your Christmas tree. So the materials required are again a pair of scissors, glue, and you can either take a square shaped paper or you can take an A4 size sheet, and we'll see how to turn it into a square paper. So fold your A4 sheet in this way and then cut out this extra part. Now a square shaped paper is ready. Slightly turn your paper and fold it like this. Press it hard on this line so that you get this line afterwards when it is required. Now turn the paper and fold it in this way. Now open your sheet and turn it over. Then fold your paper into half. Open, turn and fold again. Open your paper and follow this step. Now press on the ends. You see we have got a triangle. Now fold your paper so now this is an open end and we'll cut a round shape like this. After cutting the round shape, open the paper and turn it. Then take 2 layers of paper and fold it in this way. This is our center line, so we will fold it like this. We will leave some gap so that a butterfly looks good. The same we'll do with the other side. You can use pencil and ruler to get equal distance. Then we'll take the extra portion and just fold it. So this is the extra portion. Then we'll stick it with glue. So I've now stuck it with glue, but now you see this is another layer which we need to stick. So apply a little bit of glue and stick this as well. So now our pretty little butterfly is ready to be hung on your and my Christmas tree.
So the last thing yet that we are going to make today in this video, or that we are going to learn how to make in this video, is a wall wheel. Now you must be wondering what a wall wheel is. It is a kind of a wall hanging, you can say, which of course you can use to decorate your walls. And we are going to use the color theme green, red and white, keeping in mind the Christmas vibes. So I'm going to show you what exactly you have to do with using a green paper, and then I'll tell you how you have to coordinate all the 3 sheets and make your wall wheel. So first, for this thing to make, you need only 2 things: an A4 size paper and a Fevicol. Yes, that's it. Only 2 things. Now you take your A4 size paper and you're going to fold it the way it is shown. If you remember, in your childhood days, or if you're already a child, you must be making something called the paper fans. Right? So that's exactly that you have to do with this paper. You have to make a paper fan using colored sheets, just like I am doing. So you're first going to fold this, and then you're going to turn over and you're going to fold it again. Now you need not worry about the size, as it might go up and down. It might not be of the similar size, but that's absolutely okay. Okay, so we are going to quickly make a fan of it. So we are going to complete the fan and the last fold after turning it over, and this completes our folding process. Now we are going to fold this into half, just like this, and then stick the opening. Stick both the sides using a Fevicol. Remember to stick the right thing with the right part, otherwise your fan will not come nice. So just randomly apply some Fevicol and stick it very carefully. And you will see you get a fan. Now you're going to do the same thing with a red sheet and a white sheet, and this is how it's gonna look like. The red one and the white one. So you have got a trio of the 3 famous Christmas colors. Now we are going to stick the 3 and make the wall wheel something like this. Now if you want a similar color, you can use 3 whites instead of 3 different colors. We're going to take some Fevicol and put it on one side just like this, and then do similarly to all the other parts and stick the parts. Okay, if you don't want a trio, you can use different colors, or if you want a similar color, you can use just one color to create your wheel. At the same time, if you want smaller wheel, you can use lesser number of sheets, and if you want a bigger wheel, you can use more number of sheets and make it according to your size. So now I have stuck all the 3 to one another, and finally we'll stick the green with the white and complete our wheel. For more such learning and creative crafts, or such hobby classes, you can head to www.fundooclass.com and get yourself registered over there for some fun-loving craft classes and at the same time learning classes. So at Fundoo, you don't just learn how to make you don't just learn how to make crafts, but you also learn how to upgrade your academic sense in a fun way. So we have made this wheel and it is absolutely ready. So in this video, we have learned how to make 3 famous and most easy crafts by using minimal items. The first one being the lamp, which you can definitely decorate using a candle and a candle that burns without flame. So basically a toy candle. The next we learned is a butterfly, which you can either stick on your softboards to decorate your room or also put them on the Christmas tree to decorate your tree. And last thing that we have learned is this super beautiful Christmas wheel wall, which you can stick on your wall and make it as per your desired size and choices of colors. Now you can definitely use this to decorate the Christmas wall behind the Christmas tree. So these are the 3 basic crafts that we have learned in this video. For more such decorative items and learning experience, you can head to the Fundoo class, get in touch with the team, and also check out my videos and my class updates on their website. Thank you.